Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the case. This prevents shorts and accidental inputs. Once done, remove the SIM tray and back cover using the appropriate screwdriver and spudger, because many slots sit under protective shields. Make sure to keep screws organized in a labeled container. Small screw types vary. If the battery is removable, disconnect it now to isolate power. These first actions give you safe, direct access to the SIM slot assembly, so you can proceed without risking damage. You now focus on the mid-stage, removing the old SIM slot. First, unscrew and remove any mounting plates and shields. Photograph screw positions for reassembly, because misplacing a screw risks shorting. Next, use a plastic spudger to unclip flex connectors and lift the daughter board if the slot is attached there. If the slot is soldered, desolder using a temperature-controlled iron, taking care to support the board to avoid flex damage. Once freed, extract the slot with tweezers and inspect pads for lifted traces. You'll need clean contact points for the replacement. You finish by installing the replacement SIM slot, aligning its pads or clips precisely. Solder or snap it into place, then reattach shields and screws in reverse order to preserve grounding. Once assembled enough to power, reconnect the battery and insert a known good SIM to test network registration and PIN detection. This confirms electrical and mechanical integrity. If it doesn't register, make sure to inspect solder joints for cold connections, verify flex ribbon orientation, and check continuity with a multimeter. Those checks catch the most common.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.